The sound of my heart breaking like this. You've taken from me things that I can't replace, like the joy of my son's early morning embrace, like getting to hear my daughter say grace every day. Accuse me of things that I can't understand. Your opinion of me is just some worthless man who doesn't deserve to live with his own children. They tell me this heartbreak will make me grow strong, but they can't tell me how I'm supposed to hold on. Living my life every day, almost about to cry. They tell me that I need to just get alive, but they can't tell me how now that my heart's died. Everything I've ever loved is already gone. What you're hearing is just the sound of my heart breaking. What you're hearing is just the sound of my heart breaking. What you're giving to me is really not worth the taking. What you're hearing is just the sound of my heart breaking. It's breaking, breaking, breaking. From a house filled with children to one empty room, most days I don't think that I could die too soon. Loneliness is becoming my very worst fear. Wish I could find someplace that feels like home. Make myself not spend so much time alone. Can't look my kids in the eyes 'cause I'm blinking back tears. They tell me this heartbreak will make me grow strong, but they can't tell me how I'm supposed to hold on. Living my life every day, almost about to cry. Tell me that I need to just get alive. You can't tell me how now that my heart has died. Everything I've ever loved is already gone. In the last chorus, what you're hearing is just the sound of my heart breaking. A waltz. What you're hearing is just the sound of my heart breaking. What you're giving to me is really not worth the taking. What you're hearing is just the sound of my heart breaking. It's breaking, breaking, breaking. It's breaking, breaking, breaking. That song's hard for me to play. Thank you, sweetheart, for videoing that for the third time.